Hello, my name is Pavel. I live in Estonia. I'm blind and I have only one hand. I do woodwork. I like to make beautiful furniture. To be able to do my work, I invent different special tools that replace my vision and right hand. If I won the Holman Prize Award, I would use it to invent new special tools that would help disabled people to do various tasks of a carpenter. The main target groups would be the blind and people who have only one hand. I would arrange making of the tools and prepare instruction videos about using them in Estonian, Russian and English in my YouTube channel, Project No Limits.
For many people, losing their sight or one hand means giving up a lot of activities. They imagine how they would do the things with healthy eyes and both hands, but not without them. With his videos, Pavel encourages disabled people to enjoy hobbies and activities that they really like.
Woodwork gives me a lot of joy that I'm able to do what I like.